standard day-to-day long-term pharmacology very difficult. There's tolerance, there's resistant levels, there's a whole bunch of stuff that kind of goes into it. And from that regards, psychedelics and ketamine specifically combats that. They're short term and they do a lot of work in a short amount of period at time. We experience very quick, within an hour or two, very quick change in mood. And that same study that saw the diminishment and the withering of our neurons after one dose of ketamine kind of undid that and kind of reset the brain back to pre 21 days. Now, it doesn't mean that when ketamine wears off, everything's good. We could pendulum back to where we were, right? But it does show us that for a period of time, very quickly, ketamine has the ability, and some of the other psychedelics we're better understanding have the ability to jumpstart and give the brain and the neurons what it needs to have the tools, and this is the important part, to learn how to think differently. It doesn't give you the new thoughts. It gives you the tools to really mean that the effort that we put into it is meaningful effort. Where a lot of people that are trying with treatment to resistant depression, trauma, PTSD, anxiety, they've tried and they haven't felt a tremendous amount of results, and that further keeps them in the cycle because now they feel badly about themselves. They feel hopeless. And ketamine and psychedelics have the opportunity to jumpstart that again. So that's really what separates it from what maybe be our current standard approaches that just have not been effective for these populations.